I'm still amazed that it can do what it can do.
Customers are quite often surprised at how good the parts look and feel and how presentable they are.
You can do stuff you just simply could not machine in a single piece.
SL stands for Stereolithography.
You can do extremely intricate parts with it.
It is very accurate and very fast.
So that's where the first uses of this technology actually came in. People wanted to get prototype parts quickly.
I'll tell you, in the old days when we prototyped, it would take a machinist sometimes 6 to 8 weeks to make a simple pump housing. I can do that in 6 to 8 hours. That's what it does.
The type of 3D printing that is done in an SL machine is a photocurable resin that is cured with an ultraviolet laser.
The laser goes through a scanning system, and it's basically an X and Y mirror. Think about them as ping pong paddles.
They are computer controlled from the file that is sent to the machine, and they will scan out the layer as it is defined in that file.
And wherever the laser hits, it will go from a liquid to a solid.
After the first layer has solidified, that is going to drop down one layer thickness, and then a recoater blade sweeps across and deposits the next layer of resin. And that process just repeats layer after layer until the part's finished.
And then we'll bring up the platform, and then we'll take it into a post-processing area.
And so it has to be cleaned off, and then it gets cured in another machine, just more ultraviolet light. It basically finishes hardening the entire part through and through.
Then, depending on what the customer needs, we offer a full finish of the part where it is sanded and primed and painted.
That's where the magic happens, is on that finishing bench.
It's just going to go on and on, making things better.
In the old traditional ways, people had to design not only for functionality, but how are we going to manufacture it.
But we've got kids coming along who have no idea about the rules of manufacturing. All they know is, I get to play with these 3D printers. And that's really exciting because they're going to be designing things just because I can make it like this, rather than this is the way I'm supposed to make it.
And there is so much opportunity out there that we don't even know what it is.
And when those people believe it, they can do magic. Pure magic.